Welcome to the third video in this Revit tutorial for beginners. In this video we will go through how to make doors and windows and what to think about. So what you want to do is to go into the architectural button and you choose to place the door. And you can see here there are one kind of door but the different dimensions, and you can just like the walls press the edit type. And in here you can change the materials of the door, and you can also change the dimensions. Down here you can add some more data. Up here we see what kind of door. So we're going to place this right here, and we want this to be a little closer to the other wall. Instead of dragging the door, we always want to make sure that it's even numbers away from the wall. You can also see here when you press the door that you can change how it will open and also change in what direction. So this is what it looks like in the 3D view. You see that we have placed two doors. So let's go into the windows, and if you hover over the wall then you can place it, but if you don't hover over the wall you can't place the window. So up here you can see what kind of windows there are, also in different kinds of dimensions. You can also see where the line goes. In here in the edit type you can change what kind of dimensions you want, and you can also change the window. You would always want to create a new window when you change in dimensions. And as you can see here, if I press it here, the window will go into the room, and if I press here, the window will face outwards. And just like with the door, you can change it just like this. You can drag the window or you can add the numbers away from the wall. Let's try to create a new kind of a window, and we want to do that by duplicating it, and we change the height of it in the dimensions. So let's see how this will look like. It will look like this. You see it's not really that good. And you can also try this to go through different kinds of settings and change the dimensions of doors and windows, just to see how it looks like, and also how to learn how to make it yourself. As we can see, these windows are a bit too low. Usually it would be around 600 to 700, maybe even 800 above the ground. And when we do this, it will just move the entire window up. So we're gonna have to change how high the window is. So here's how it can look like in the 3D view. When you add new windows and you have the doors. Now I'm going to show you how to use a section, and you do this by pressing the view category and selecting the section like this. And if you drag this from left to right, you will have the arrows go upwards, and if you do it the other way around, it will go down. So in the direction the arrows are pointing, it's where you're going to see, and this little frame here is what you will see in the window. And this little box here, you can change it, is how you will see the window. Now you can find the section over here to the right, and this is how it looks like. It goes through the house, so you can actually see the ceiling and the walls. And in here you can easily change things like the ceiling height, or you can add some measurements to the house. You can see here now we are cutting through a window, and it looks like this. Now we don't want this to show in our drawing, so we're gonna have to hide it. And if we hide it by the element, we will just hide this one. And if we hide it by the category, we will hide all of the sections. So now you can't see it anymore. And if you want to see it, there's this little lamp down here. You can see all the things that you have hidden in the project. And we can find it here. And if you want to work with it even more, you can unhide it just by right clicking and then select elements. Now it will show in the unhidden paper, just like this. Don't forget, you can also change how you would like to see this 3D view in. If you like this video and you would like me to do more, please hit that subscribe button and like this video.